Welcome to SKM Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 31, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Column J, we have 1, 6, 7. The 3 number can't come the 3 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 9. 6th row, we get 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come the cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, we get 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, we have 2. Column H also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column I, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 8, 4. 3rd row, 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B and 2nd row, we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 3rd row, we already put 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row and 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, at column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 8. 7th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 1st grade also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 7, 6. 3rd row, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Column B, column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 4. Fourth row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Seventh row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then second grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth grade, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.